There is no direct integration between Wise and PayPal. You link them by adding your Wise account details as a bank account to PayPal. This allows you to withdraw money from PayPal to Wise or transfer funds between the two. Step-by-step guide. Get your Wise bank details. Log into your Wise account. Go to Balances, select the currency, preferably USD for best compatibility. Click Account Details or Get Local Account Details. Copy the routing number, account number, and account holder name. Add Wise as a bank in PayPal. Log into PayPal, app or website. Go to Wallet or Settings, Banks and Cards. Click Link a Bank or Add Bank Account. Select Link US Bank Account or your local equivalent. Enter the Wise routing number and account number. Confirm the account holder name matches exactly. Verify the bank account. PayPal usually makes 2 small deposits, under $1, into your Wise account. Check your Wise balance or transactions after 2 to 3 business days. Enter the exact amounts in PayPal to verify. After linking, withdraw funds from PayPal to your Wise balance. Send money from Wise to PayPal using the linked details.